I'm Judy Flynn. I'm the owner-founder of the Fresh Monkee. We are a protein shake shop, and we started in 2014 in Wethersfield, Connecticut.
Judy and the team came to us looking to relocate one of their businesses, brand this new store, and for the first time ever add a drive-thru to their new business.
Joel and his team at FASTSIGNS were able to map out the very expansive space that we have and design the whole look of the graphics on the window as people drive up, the wall menus.
For the drive-thru, we needed to figure out the speaker system, the digital menu that would show the prices and the options to the customers.
And they were able to come back with a logo that I absolutely adore. And I think when you walk in, you really get the fun, clean energy. And most of that is due to the graphics and everything that FASTSIGNS did. And it brings me confidence to know that FASTSIGNS is there to help no matter what the need is. As a small business, you really want a group like that behind you.